Peace. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great grandos day. Grand rising to you all. Hope you enjoying. Hope you living it up. Hope you being real blissful. Got my feathers up. Feathers up. Then we took out the hair. Took out the hairstyle, the box braids. This is the box braid out y'all looking at. I'm out here in nature. Had a big workout. Feel like it was a big workout. I feel accomplished, and I had a workout before, but actually before that, so muscles must definitely feel it. But I will say one thing: my feet is tired. So I'm thinking I'm out here in nature. What's the best thing for this? It's the best thing for your feet. Putting your feet in the soil, as people of the soil. You dig? But y'all let me know. Y'all tell me how y'all doing. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share. See some birds over there. Y'all can see it. I'm sorry. I'm waking up. Rather fatigued. Got some stuff to do. I said I was gonna have something done today, so gotta have something done today. I already gotten some stuff done. It's kind of chilly, low key, where the sun isn't at, but man's gonna navigate and whatnot. I'm gonna pause this so. Actually, I can walk a little bit until I get to the forest. I just wanted to show y'all something too. Let me show you. Look at that. I'm gonna show the seeds. See, these are blueberries and blackberries. Mostly blackberries. Plants. They cut them down. And it... I got the... Hold on. Yeah! Let's go! Nigga, I got that on camera, nigga! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Yeah! Nigga, I got my feathers up too, nigga! Yeah! Nigga, the sun shining too! Heck yeah! Let's go! Nigga, I told y'all niggas it's a great day, nigga! Yes! Let's go! Y'all niggas saw that big bird, cuz? Holy cow! Nigga, let's go! Yeah! Oh my freaking gosh, nigga! That just gave me energy, nigga! Hell yeah! Let's go! Nigga, I'm pumped! Golly, y'all niggas better come to the forest, boy. Go to the further freaking forest, nigga. I tell y'all niggas go to the forest, nigga. I'm like, go to that motherfucking forest right there, nigga. I swear to gosh. Look, nigga, I was about to tell y'all niggas, you see they try to cut the plants down and the motherfucker just keep growing and it keeps going back. It's almost like it was supposed to be there. Remember what I told you about the hair? What's the point of cutting the hair? Because your skin is the same color as the soil. Your skin is the same color as the trees and your hair grows as the trees. What is the point of cutting something that's meant to grow back? That's meant to grow there. The biggest and strongest and healthier trees are the ones untouched and uncut by man. I'm about to pause this so I can go into the forest. Let me see. Maybe I'll go now. I'll take my shoes off later. Wait, can I hold them in both hands? I'll figure this out. Let me go. Come on. Oh. Like I told you, I'm sore from this workout. You see the little berries? Little berry. Little berries growing in this. Little berries growing in this. Little berries growing in this. Hey. I should adjust my feathers. I meant to take a picture. My fault. Yeah. Walking through the forest, and I'm in nature. Why they threw the cart down in the... Look at these trashy ass foreigners, man. Threw the cart down over here. Like, how gross. These motherfuckers are so disgusting. I said, where the frick did the cart go? They threw it down. Shouldn't be a cart here. People are so trashy, god dang it, I swear. I go, oh. Yeah, I'm definitely about to. Nigga, we saw that big old bird, cuz. Nigga, that junk was amazing, bro. I'm trying to think, how should I get my picture so y'all see my... Oh, I can get my picture like that. Hold on. Okay. This nigga here, you so excited. Here, I'm about to take you off the... Hold on, let me pause so I can take him off the leash. This motherfucker here. And we're live. Look at the sun just hit me. So beautiful. I love the sun, cuz. I look graceful, too. Oh, I gotta get a photo. My shoes down, cuz. Hold on. I'm having so much fun. That's why I say I love going to nature. Oh, my God. It's better. Sunlight in my face. I'm just having so much fun. Like, I really love nature, bro. This is amazing. Like, feels like I ain't been back in too freaking long, y'all. Wow. Cause I was like inside. Wow, I was really missing out. Yo, this feels great on my feet. Walking it. Got my feet in the soil too. Or to say I got my feet in the soil, bro. Come on now, this feels great. This is my feet need it, nigga. I don't know if I said this, but feathers up. We not just talking, we actually living it. American pride. You know how that goes. Woo. Oh, shoot, this feels so good. Oh, I can step down easily. I'm gonna go. It's probably a little easier over here. Let me see. Yeah. All right. Hear the birds chirping, little baby. Hear the birds chirping, little baby. I'm trying to do this with access on one hand because I got stuff in my shoes in my other hand. Did I throw them hoes down? I'm about to do it in a minute. We'll walk to the side. Whew. Having nature assist me. Hey, this is cool. This is so great. Man. Oh, shit. Holy crap. Oh, caught a crap. Oh, frick. I got water in me. Holy smokes. Okay. All right, I'm straight. I'm gonna just get over there and then I'm gonna get the water. Okay. Whew. 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 But yeah, y'all talk to me, man. Like I told you, I've been working out. I guess I sweated out some of these liquids. Says. Okay, now I'm starting to feel better. Ah. Can I see my feet? Let's see. I got a camera this way. There we go. Down there. Y'all see him. Woo! I can do this. Woo! Oh, much better. Much better. Man's gotta make it to the point where it's like little bitty rocks or something. Not those hard ones. That might be what I need too, cause it's those rocks they actually hit nerves and whatnot. And I would hit a dry spot too. I'm usually talking to y'all more, but y'all can kind of overstare why I'm not talking to y'all right now. Woo, woo. Ah ha 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 ha. All right, there we go. There we go. Whew. Softer spots. Anyway, I'm just glad I made it out here to nature, y'all. It's a great day. Everything is great. It's prosperity and riches. Most definitely. Continue to be a better version of ourselves. Oh, look at this, baby. Oh, hold on. Hey, here we go. I forgot I had that in my hand. Look at this. Oh, snap. Look at the sun it did to me. That nigga shining. Yeah. A nigga is shining. I'm trying to get the photo out. I'll get the shadow frick from my hand. Let me see. Then I have it like this. Let me see. Enjoying nature, baby. Frick it. Whatever. It's not meant to be. I ain't gonna force it. Hey. I'm just glad I'm really be able to be out here, man. Stuff like this, I think we miss up the opportunity that we have. I don't think we realize how close we are to nature. A lot of people overlook things. Don't comprehend things, All you gotta do is just, I think overcomplicate things. It's really just gotta look into nature. That's what I do. People ask me, why am I growing plants? Why am I growing plants? Why not? Why not be self-sufficient? What do you expect to grow out of that? And I told them what I was growing. Because after they asked, I said, oh, I'm growing onions, orange squash, amaranth, tomatoes. Uh, uh. Ah, shoot. And they said, so you just about to be eating like veggie sandwiches or something like that? And they started laughing. I'm like, okay. I don't know. What's wrong with eating veggies? A lot of y'all need to eat veggies. You know, these are be lax, so they eat the chicken, pizza, and all this other. You know, cause other species eat that stuff as well. It's gonna make it any better. But shoot. This is what our ancestors listened to all the time. This is so beautiful. We spoke back to them too. Started talking to the birds. Overstanding their chants, their chirps. Yeah, I'm about to end this, y'all. Make sure y'all have a great one, okay? But if you guys want to book a one-on-one coaching session, you know who to contact, and that's us. You can book a consultation by emailing us, info Healing Through Inspiration, or DM us on Instagram. Check out our links in the description box. Whatever kind of artwork we crafted at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our American apparel there. Make sure you guys have a great one, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. You know how it goes. I really want to hear what y'all got to say about this. So let me know. Peace, love, and light, y'all.